The Imagination Factory is a strategic design and creative engineering agency. That means that we get involved in a whole range of projects with clients to help them come up with new ideas or to develop ideas into real products that can be sold in the market.
I like to describe what the Imagination Factory does as strategic design and creative engineering. And by that what I mean is we don't just do design and engineering, but we do engineering creatively to, rather than just come out with very rational textbook solutions, trying to create products that are something new and of value to someone.
What's really rewarding about the type of work that we do is the mix of clients that we have, the mix of projects. Sometimes we have very small projects, and sometimes they go on for several years. Sometimes they're very technical, sometimes they're much more down the style side of things. Just that whole variety of work is really fascinating for us.
In the time I've been here, I've worked with multinational consumer brands, sole trader entrepreneurs, and also lots of government-funded Innovate UK briefs.
We try and very quickly establish that it's not just about design, it's not about aesthetics, and it's not just about cranking out cheap products, affordable products. It's actually about maximising the value for the price people are willing to pay for it.
A lot of our clients have sometimes it's issues with sort of, be it politics or sort of in a big company, there can be difficulties taking down some of those hurdles to make faster progress. And that's what we can do because we're quite a small agile team. We can actually make some progress really quite quickly. And the strength and experience within the team means that we've all been around consultancy for about 20 years. And that's really, really powerful in terms of being able to be realistic about what you can do and estimate those kind of timescales and problems that you're going to come across.
On design projects, I think Imagination Factory often challenges assumptions. So someone will come to us with an idea and a prescribed way of how they think that's going to go, and we sometimes take a step back and say, well, we could do it like this, we could do it like this, and through going through that process we can come out with a better solution, and that's what we specialise in.
The value that the Imagination Factory adds for our clients is this combination of understanding the human, putting the human at the centre, but then also having a really strong foundation both in industrial design and in technical design and the engineering, so that we can actually knit all those things together and produce things that can have a positive impact on the world and can delight our customers and our clients.